Good morning, guys. Welcome back. Another episode on the M52 Turbo. Open this episode, get the oil cooler on, get the intercooler all mounted, finish off the wiring on the swirl pot and fuel pump that we installed in the previous episode. We've been waiting for a few parts. We've got them now, so hopefully we can get it finished. It's pretty much ready to start once we mount the intercooler and oil cooler. A couple of bits of wiring and stuff to tidy up. Yeah, so that's plan for today, is to hopefully get it running, but at least get everything mounted anyway so we can get it running in the next episode. Yeah, once again, just like to mention, anybody who subscribed so far, thank you very much. Getting closer to the 1,000. So if you are watching, hit the subscribe button in one of the corners and like and share the video if possible. Yeah, so enjoy the video. Just sorting out the wiring now for the swirl pot and the fuel pump. And I'm just getting all the lines tidied up and bolted into place.
Onto there. You can't see her. If I take it from here, cross with that one, and onto there.
How long does that need to be then?
And up there. Over, like, watch, it's not going over that bit, it needs to go on the flat bit, but it's so good then. There you go. Fuck me. There somewhere. Hanging to push in, isn't it?
It's easy to get fucking off. I was expecting it to be hard to get off. It's fucking easy to get off, but getting that fucking clip over is a pain in the arse.
That's about it.
Right, I'll just show you where we are at the moment. I haven't filmed as much as I should. My camera phone that I film on, screen is broke, so it's a pain in the arse to record anything. Yeah, so we've fitted the swirl pot. Well, it was already fitted, but we've just done the wiring on it. Ross has made some brackets for the intercooler and the oil cooler, so we can mount all of that as well. We've mocked it all up, put it all in place, everything fits. We're just painting the brackets now. So once the brackets are dry, we can get that all mounted back up. So I'll just show you what we're doing. So this is the swirl pot and fuel pump. So Ross has just wired this in now, so this is run over straight to a plug. It comes with another fuel pump that goes directly into the tank, so you can plug it directly in. There's minimal wiring, just adding an earth, putting the relay in and adding some power wires, and then just adding a signal wire to pick up 12 volts from the fuel pump when the ignition is turned. So that's pretty much done in regards to fuel system. It's just tidying it all up. We'll tidy it up once we've got it running and tested it, just to make sure there's no leaks and stuff. They're the brackets Ross has made for the oil cooler. So the oil cooler just bolts straight onto the front of that, so we can take the oil cooler off the bracket if needed. That's the oil cooler in question. Lines all made up. Sorry about the mess in here. I've been working on the wiring on Pete's car at the same time. Oil filter housing, so the oil lines just come straight from here and come through here and then straight in, and the oil cooler sits in the middle. Brackets for the intercooler, if it focuses. Oh, it's kind of funny. And same on the other side. Yeah, so just mount all them back up now once the bracket is dry, and I'll show you that then. Get some oil in it, get some fuel in it, and we can hopefully get it running and get it tested. So just gonna get all the wiring loom back into place. As I said, just get the engine bay tidied up. It's freezing in here, so I'll get the heater on first. Right, so oil cooler is all in place, and intercooler. As you can see, the intercooler is bolted onto the slam panel, and then the oil cooler then on a bracket bolted onto the intercooler, and just mounted on the bottom as well to keep it stable. We will add a mount here running up behind for the intercooler, just because a little bit of movement in it. Yeah, so then the oil cooler lines just in on top of the oil cooler, back through the slam panel and up then to the top of the oil cooler. So just going to get the wiring loom all tidied up now and in place. Get all the pipe work tightened up onto the radiator and stuff, and yeah, get ready to run. Right, so all the wiring is all plugged back in. We'll have to modify the coil pack loom, probably have to extend it. I've seen ones where they're able to spin this around, put the coils around the opposite way and plug the loom in the opposite way, and then extend this, because otherwise it's going to melt off the downpipe. Same with this, we'll have to relocate that somewhere. That's got plenty of length, it's just we'll have to lengthen this bit off the coil pack loom and move this over here, and then be able to extend that back up around so it clears the exhaust. Yeah, all radiator pipe work all in place with some extreme 14 silicone hoses. We supply these if you need them. The Wrens are rad. Don't know what make the intercooler is. It's a universal one. It's a Mokel oil cooler, and me and Ross made the lines. Intercooler pipe all in place. He does have an Audi, I think RS4 or RS6 MAF, which he's been told is what he needs, so he's going to get that put into that intercooler pipe. Yeah, so that's basically it. He has a new scuttle panel for the back, so you just need to take the bonnet off and put that back on. yeah, so that's pretty much it. Just a small bit of tidying up on it. Put the lights back in, get them plugged back in, put the bumper back on, and that's it really. Just need to put some oil in it and some fuel in it, and get it running in. Probably get running in the next episode. I'll wait for Ross to come in so we can both do that together. We both spend time working on it, so it'd be nice to see it running at the same time. Yeah, so that's probably it for now. Alright, that's it from this episode. It's all ready to start now. Once Ross is back in next week, we'll get it running. But yeah, so that's it. One more episode, it'll be running, and then it's going off to get its exhaust made, and it'll be remapping. Probably going to be another month or so before it's on the road. But yeah, we'll get started in the next episode, so make sure you tune in for that. It'll probably be next weekend. The V8, have some more on that probably in the next couple of days with what the plans are. The wiring's an absolute ball ache, so still trying to work that out. But yeah, so thanks very much for watching. Remember, like, share and subscribe, and see you next time.